Okay, so now we are starting a new chapter. Yes, chapter 7, the number is 7, getting to know plants. Right, chapter 7. या छोड़ दीजिए स्पेस को, इसमें और आपको अभी ज़रूरत होगा आगे लिखने के। नेक्स्ट पेज से स्टार्ट। चैप्टर 7, गेटिंग टू नो प्लांट्स। गेटिंग टू नो, बहुत गर्मी। के getting to know plants. So today we will start our study of plants. We have studied a little about plants in our last chapter. We came to know about the structure of plants. So today we will study in detail about the plants. What are plants? What are types of plants? And then their parts. Now, if we go out of our houses and look outside, look around us, we see different types of plants and trees. Okay, we also see some grasses, bushes, shrubs. Okay, all these combine to form the greenery. जो आप अपने आसपास हरा भरा एनवायरनमेंट देखते हैं, द ग्रीन एनवायरनमेंट, द ग्रीनरी जिसे आप कहते हैं, so that is made of many things. There can be trees, there can be plants, there can be shrubs, there can be herbs, there can be bushes, there can be grasses. All these combinedly make the green environment. Now you see some plants, so there might be, most of them are green in color. The shades of green vary. Some can be dark green, some can be light green. But there are also some plants which have other color than green. Their leaves can be different colored, like yellow, some can have red. Okay, and in between shades of these colors. So not all the plants are green in color. Okay, and not completely green. Some can be mixed green also, other colors, yellow also, reddish also, like this. So we can see a variety of trees with variety of colors, variety of sizes, big and small, like that. So all this we call as nature. Okay, right? We can see that some plants are small, some are big, while some are just patches of green on the soil. यानी ज़मीन पर ही, जो बिल्कुल सटे होते हैं, ज़मीन पर ही उगते हैं. पैचेस ऑफ ग्रीन ऑन द सॉइल, फुल स्टॉप. हाँ, घास या उससे थोड़ा सा बड़ा, झाड़ियों के रूप में बिल्कुल, जो जमीन, झाड़ी भी थोड़ा बड़ी हो जाती है तो उसको झाड़ी कहते हैं, जो बिल्कुल घास फूस कह देते हैं, जमीन पर ही रहते हैं। यस, राइट, राइट। Some have, full stop, some have green leaves, comma, while some others leaves, हाँ, while, ठीक है, ठीक है, ऐसे प्लूरल में वी ई एस हो जाता है। हाँ, आएगा आएगा, नहीं, फेवरेट कलर नहीं है। हाँ 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 हाँ, कह सकते हैं, यस, कह सकते हैं, डेफिनेटली। इट इज़ एक्चुअली, इट इज़ मोस्ट सूटेबल फॉर अस। हाँ हाँ हाँ, पढ़ेंगे आगे हम लोग। हाँ, सम ग्रीन लीव्स, कॉमा, while some others have yellowish and reddish R E double D, reddish leaves, LEAVES, प्लूरल में भी हो जाता है हमेशा। ठीक है, जब भी आप एफ वाले वर्ड का प्लूरल बनाते हैं तो वो एफ से वी हो जाता है। चीफ तो चीव्स हो जाता है, नाइफ नाइव्स हो जाता है, थीफ थीव्स हो जाता है। ओके, यस, राइट। सम हैव ह्यूज रेड फ्लावर्स, फुल स्टॉप। सम हैव ह्यूज रेड फ्लावर्स, comma, some have tiny blue ones, some have tiny blue ones, while some have none, कोई फूल ही नहीं होते हैं कई पौधों में, some have none, full stop, full stop. Thus, comma, we see a variety of plants, all around us, dash, near our homes, near our homes, near our our near our homes, comma, in the school grounds, school 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 grounds, comma, on the way रास्ते पर, हाँ, on the way to school, comma, in parks and garden, comma, in parks and gardens, Okay. So we have understood that there are a large variety in the trees, in their shapes, in their sizes, in their colors, and also in the places where they are found. In the places where they are found. Some are found only in forests, those trees you won't find around you. Some you find on the way, but not inside your near your house or inside the school grounds. You will find them on the way. Okay. Some you will only find in gardens, some you will only find in parks. There can be different, like in our school also we had some gardens and they had some exquisite varieties of plants and flowers. Those flowers we could not see anywhere else, very beautiful flowers. So because in parks and special gardens we maintain some exotic varieties that are not seen otherwhere. In roadside you will see some general varieties of trees that you will not see in near your homes or inside your grounds, premises, in the school or college, wherever. So their place where they are found, that is also different for different types of trees. Now we will study a tree or a plant in detail.